You feel tired, you feel stuck. Maybe you're disappointed with who you've become. Maybe you've made mistakes you can't forget. Or maybe deep down, you know you're capable of more. Listen to me carefully. A new you is coming. Not tomorrow, not next year. Right now, right here, in this moment. But only if you stay with me. This is not just another motivational video. This is your reset button. This is the moment you stop running and start rebuilding. Don't skip this video. Stay till the end. Because I'm going to give you the ancient Stoic tools to rebuild your mind, your character, and your life. And by the time this video ends, you'll believe again. 1. The fall is part of the rise. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius. You think you've fallen too far? You think it's too late for you? Good, because the Stoics believe the fall is not the end. It's the beginning. Every strong structure needs a foundation, and sometimes life has to knock you down to give you one. For example, imagine a man who lost everything: his job, his money, his purpose. But instead of crying, he says, "This is where I build." He goes to the gym with holes in his shoes. He reads books from the library because he can't afford new ones. He wakes up early while others sleep, and slowly he becomes someone he's proud of. You are that man. This is your fall, but it's also your rise. 2. You are allowed to start over. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Marcus Aurelius. Here's the truth. Your past may explain you, but it doesn't define you. You are not your failures. You are not your regrets. You are what you decide to become next. Stoicism teaches that we should focus only on what we can control: our thoughts, our choices, our actions. Forget yesterday. Focus on now. Make one better decision today. That's all it takes to start again. You are allowed to start over, and not just once, but every day. 3. Choose one habit to win. Today, well-being is attained little by little. Epictetus. Want to rebuild your life? Don't look 5 years ahead. Look 24 hours ahead. What can you control today? For example, replace 10 minutes of scrolling with 10 push-ups. Wake up 30 minutes earlier and stretch. Say no to sugar today. Read 5 pages of something that makes you wiser. One win a day. That's all. Do it for a week, then a month, then a year, and one day you'll look in the mirror and barely recognize the man you used to be. 4th, let go of old labels. It is not things themselves that disturb us, but our opinions about them. Epictetus. You've been told you're not good enough, that you're lazy, weak, not smart, not worthy. That's not who you are. That's someone else's voice, someone else's judgment, and it's time to let that go. Say this out loud. That's who I was. It's not who I am now. Because the man who keeps walking, even with a broken heart, even when he's tired, that man is powerful, and you are that man. 5. Keep your growth private. Don't explain your philosophy, embody it. Epictetus. You don't need to post about it. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. Let them talk. Let them doubt. Let them watch. You grow in silence. You improve in the dark. And when the time comes, you won't have to say a word. Your results will speak for you. For example, a man goes quiet for a year. No parties, no social media, just work. A year later, he returns stronger, wiser, unstoppable. No announcement, just presence. That's power. That's Stoic. That's your path now. 6. Use pain as fuel. Difficulties strengthen the mind. Seneca. You've been hurt? Good. That pain you carry, use it. Pain is a powerful teacher. And the Stoics believe that if you don't run from it, pain becomes purpose. For example, you were rejected, get stronger. You were betrayed, get wiser. You were broken, get tougher. Let pain remind you what matters. Let it fuel your discipline. Let it drive your comeback. Because every scar is a story, a reminder that you didn't quit. 7. Control what you can, let go of the rest. Make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. Epictetus. Stop trying to control the world. You can't control people. You can't control time. You can't control the past. But you can control what time you wake up, what you eat, what you read, what you focus on, how you speak, how you respond. Practice this. Every morning, write down 3 things. What I can control today, what I can't control, what I choose to focus on. This will give you power, peace, clarity. This is how Stoics live. 8. Free yourself from opinions. If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish. Epictetus. People will talk, they'll doubt you, they'll mock your silence, your effort, your change. Let them, because you're not building your life for them. You're building it for you. You don't need their permission, you need your discipline. Practice this. Every time someone doubts you, don't argue. Just smile. Say nothing. Keep working. Eventually, they'll either respect your silence or disappear. Either way, you win. 9. Forgive yourself. Then level up. To forgive is to set a prisoner free and discover the prisoner was you. Lewis Smedes. You made mistakes, we all do. But staying stuck in guilt? That's another mistake. Forgive yourself. Not because you're weak, but because you're ready to grow. For example, a man failed his family. He hated himself. But then he asked, what would a better man do now? So he started doing that. He didn't ask for approval. He just acted better. And slowly he became better. You can too. 10. A new you is already forming. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, every time you do one push-up instead of hitting snooze, every time you show up when no one's watching, you are becoming someone new. Right now you may not see it, but inside you, piece by piece, the new you is forming. Stronger, wiser, unshakable. And the truth, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. The warrior's morning ritual, want to start strong every day? Here's a Stoic morning ritual to anchor your mind. Silence, sit still, breathe, let your mind settle. Affirmation, say, I control my thoughts, I control my actions, I control my life. Cold water, wake up your body with cold water or a cold shower. One win, do one small task immediately. Make your bed, stretch, drink water. Journal 1. Question. What kind of man do I want to be today? Do this daily. Your energy will change, your mindset will sharpen, and your future self will thank you. Your time is now. You've been waiting for the perfect time, waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting, start building, because a new you is not found. A new you is created through effort, through pain, through silence, through grit. Remember, you don't have to become a superhero. You just have to become better than who you were yesterday. That's it. And if you can do that every day, even by 1%, one day you'll wake up and realize you're not rebuilding, you've already rebuilt. If you felt this message, if this lit a fire inside you, then don't let it end here. Like this video, share it with someone who needs a reset. Subscribe to Silent Grit. We drop powerful Stoic fire every week. Comment below with, "A new me is rising." Let us know you're in this with us, because this isn't just a channel, this is a movement. What's one habit you'll start today to become the new you? Drop it in the comments. Let's hold each other accountable. This is your journey, this is your time. Let's rise with silence, with strength, with grit.